Namaskar friends, welcome to Rajan George Homes next video. Today I am speaking to you about kitchens. What is the height of a kitchen slab? If you ask many people, you will get different contrasting opinions. And you ask people in the field, interior designers, builders, engineers, there also you get confusing and contrasting answers. That is because even professional people lack the basic knowledge in the case of kitchen slab height. In all developed countries, the height of the kitchen slab is standardized. Except in America, all other countries, developed countries, the height of the kitchen slab is 90 centimeter. Wherever there is MKS system, MKS means meter, kilogram, second system. Whereas in America, it is FVS system. Instead of centimeter, is what is there is feet. So there is 3 feet is the standard height. Nobody is in America is permitted to make a kitchen less than 3 feet or more than 3 feet. And all other countries, nobody is permitted to construct a kitchen less than 90 centimeter or more than 90 centimeter. That is standardized, considering the average need, the average height of all the citizens. Whereas now standardization has come to India, and thereby the poor customer is suffering from lack of height. Earlier, the masons, the carpenters used to build the kitchens at a height of 60 or 65 centimeter height. Now the mindset has little improved. Now they make kitchens around 75 or even 80 centimeter. What happens if the height of the kitchen slab is less? It is not comfortable to use it. To use a sink, to use a stove or hob, to use a plateau, you have to bend and use it. That is not only creating health problems, but also it is not at all comfortable and user friendly. So the minimum height of a kitchen required in India is 85 centimeter and the maximum height is 90 centimeter. That is on the assumption that Indians are little shorter compared to Western countries. That is assumption. There is no exact data on that. So minimum height should be anybody building less than 85 centimeter height. The builder, the interior designer is doing harm to the customer because health problems and comfort problems will occur to the clients. Even big interior designers or builders or engineers do not know what is the height, the standard height that is required for a kitchen. Even on YouTube, many people will say, or interior designers will say, we will build the kitchen according to the need of the customer, the need of the lady working in the kitchen. Is it true? There is no such a thing as a need of the customer, because a kitchen is not used by a single individual. Many people may use it. The mother-in-law will use it, the wife will use it, and children will use it. And nowadays, all men are also using it. So the requirement is the average height is that is needed. And also the flat or the house can be sold to somebody else. Also it is constructed, a house or a flat is constructed for generations. So there is no such thing as the need of the customer or the height of the customer. You have to give the apt height. Let us see what happens when the kitchen slab height is less. Serious health problems. If it is not comfortable, we won't enjoy the house, we won't enjoy the house. Next major question usually asked is whether a concrete slab has to be cast at the time of construction of the building. My answer is, if you can afford to lot of money for a kitchen interior, never ever go for a kitchen slab, a concrete slab. A good kitchen with a good interior designer, good interior construction, whether it is in plywood, on wood, or anything. The kitchen slab is a handicap. Kitchen slab is an obstruction for good design. Whereas, if you are going for a very economical kitchen, you go for a concrete slab, not very thick slab, not never 4-inch or 3-inch thickness, but have a concrete slab as thin as 1 inch. Since the projection is only 2 feet from the wall, 1 inch thickness is enough with a sufficient reinforcement. Only thing is that while casting, the height you have to calculate and then give. And when there is a kitchen slab a cast, go for an economical kitchen, that is only aluminum kitchen is practicable. If you are going for an aluminum kitchen, to support the granite slab in aluminum framework, it is not strong enough or it is not economical enough. So if you have a concrete slab and if you contact the aluminum fabricator people, they will give you a very economical kitchen, a durable kitchen, user-friendly kitchen in the range of 50,000 to 1 lakh. Only thing is that when you cast the slab, give opening for the sink and the hob for the stove. For that, which sink you are going to purchase, which hob you are going to purchase, you have to decide in advance or you have to purchase it in advance. Except aluminum, other options are wood, plywood with lamination, multi-wood with or without lamination, MDF, HDF with the mica lamination. All these methods, the framework can be made, the granite top can be placed on the framework. Only thing is that it is not as economical as an aluminum kitchen. Aluminum kitchen is pesticide proof, it is durable, it is user friendly, and it is economical. And let us see the options. Wood. Wood you can go for teakwood, ET wood, mahogany, and the different wood available as per the local conditions. And next is plywood. If you are using plywood, you have to be careful about the termite. Termite likes the plywood a lot. So if mica lamination is given, the attack of termite can be minimized. If you are using plywood, ensure that you give the whole flooring concrete with good concrete with reinforcement. For that I have given a full video how termite can be avoided by giving proper concrete while the construction of the foundation. Pesticide to prevent termite is not a solution because all the pesticides available in the market is having a very short effective life, 4 or 5 years. And if you are going for a plywood, always go for a lamination. Either you can go for mica lamination, glass lamination, acrylic lamination, and so on. Even multiwood. Multiwood can be given automotive paint or it can be laminated. The drawback of the multiwood is the screw holding capacity of multiwood is less. Screws may get loosened. Then MDF, HDF. MDF means medium density fiberboards. HDF is high density fiberboards. These can be with or without mica lamination. Lamination can be made in different materials, acrylic, even glass. So, this is my video on kitchens. With more information on kitchens, I will come. Thank you.